How to change Walmart items from pickup to shipping. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Walmart items from pickup to shipping. Now the process is quite simple, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you can either open your Walmart app or you can either head into walmart.com. In my case, I'm on walmart.com on the browser. Here you can see you want to log into your account. The first you want to add in the item to your cart, and from there if you select the cart option, now if you have any orders, you want to simply tap on the cart option at the top right corner and you want to tap on cart there. Now at the very first you can see pickup and delivery options. You want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it you can see shipping, pickup, delivery option. Now if it is on pickup and you want to change it to shipping, you want to simply tap on shipping and you can see it'll be selected to shipping. In my case, in my region, shipping is available but pickup and delivery option is not available. Now these options might be available depending on your reasons, and if the pickup option is available, if the delivery option is available, and if this shipping option is available. So if it is available, you can simply tap on it and you'll be able to switch. However, if it's not available, you won't be able to switch it. So this way you can change Walmart items from pickup to shipping. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.